In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color in Inkscape. By the end, you'll know exactly how to change the fill color of your objects in just a click, and how to quickly adjust the outline color with a simple shortcut. First, open Inkscape. Once the program launches and your canvas is visible, you're ready to go. You can work with an existing file or a new document. The color steps are the same either way. Next, select the object you want to recolor. Click directly on the shape, image, or text on your canvas. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box with arrows or handles around it. If you accidentally select the wrong item, just click on the correct one to switch your selection. For text, you don't need to convert anything. Simply select it like any other object. Keep in mind that bitmap images behave differently from vector shapes and text, so color changes may not apply the same way to images. Now, look toward the bottom of your Inkscape window. This is where the color palette lives, a long row of color swatches running along the lower edge of the screen. If you don't immediately see the exact shade you want, you can scroll horizontally through the palette using the small arrows or your mouse wheel when hovered over the palette area. Each swatch represents a quick, ready-to-use color. With your object still selected, click any color box in the palette. The change is instant. You'll see the fill color, the inside color of your shape or text, update right away. This is the fastest and most direct way to recolor objects in Inkscape without opening any additional panels. If the result isn't what you expected, just click a different swatch to try another color until it looks right. Because the change happens immediately, it's easy to audition a few options and settle on the one that fits your design. It's important to note that this method specifically changes the fill color. The fill is the interior area of a shape or the body of your text. If you also want to adjust the outline, known as the stroke, there's a quick tip. Hold Shift on your keyboard, and then click a color in the same palette. Shift plus a color click changes the stroke color without affecting the fill. This is a convenient way to coordinate inside and outline colors in seconds. And that's it. Open Inkscape, select your object, use the palette at the bottom, click a color for the fill, and use Shift-click for the stroke. Simple, fast, and precise.